What's going on, eBay sellers? Just want to give you a tip. I've been on eBay selling for a while. Just want to do a shipping tip here for shipping games or CDs that are loose. So you can get these in I think like a 50 pack or 100 pack off Amazon. So these are great for your loose games, give it some rigidity. And then what I do is I take these priority mail boxes from the post office, and I just grab a stack of these. Most of your post office should have them. If not, you can actually get them delivered to your front door. And then I just okay, so now simple as that. Again, just want some good solid scissors. And now we just take our tape. I usually buy this from a 3-pack from a local store, whether it's Walmart or HEB. And we're just gonna tape up the sides. And then bowl mailer, since I have an eBay store, every quarter I get like a $50 credit. So I buy these in a 100-pack. These are like 9x6 bowl mailers. These things are great. So yeah, simple enough. Just pop it in here. Again, there's no reason I like these scissors. Now we get our scale. I've had this scale for years. You buy a decent scale. I mean, this thing will measure pounds too, so my bigger packages. Pop this on the scale. I know it's gonna be less than 4 ounces. So now you got 2 options here, right? You can ship it, you know, they're ground advantage shipping now, which is probably gonna cost you a little more. Or you can ship it medium mail. Some people will say, oh, it's not medium mail. Well, maybe not. Or they'll say, eBay can't let me ship it medium mail. It's probably just true. So the trick is, if you don't have a pirate ship account, open up a pirate ship login account, whatever. It's free. And then once you get into pirate ship, you can actually link your eBay to your pirate ship. Then there's an import from eBay option. You import it, and then you can choose media mail and ship this media mail for $4.13. Now, if it doesn't cost much more, since it's 4 ounces, it's not going to cost much more. And sure, I think it's like, depending on where I ship in the country, it may be like $4.38. Fine, pay the ground shipping. But when you get into 6, 7, 8, 9 ounces, that's where you're going to see your cost saving, because then the prices are jumping more compared to medium mail. It's going to stay $4.13 for quite a few ounces. And I do the same thing for comic books as well. I ship it medium mail. But anyway, guys, that's how we ship a single disc, whether it's a CD, game, etc. Compact disc. Like, comment, subscribe. JJ out.